welcome to Dr. Social Problems. In this video, I would like to answer the question, what does the Buddhism prayer mean? There are two types of Buddhism prayer, Namu Amida Butsu and Nam-myoho Renge Kyo. What do they really mean? And what is the main difference? I would like to provide you with the basic information first. Then I would like to answer the question deeper than anywhere else. And at ending scene, I would post the summary of the key points in writings. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Namu Amida Butsu, Nam-myoho Renge Kyo. Both prayers have Nam at the head. Nam means I will commit my whole life. So it comes down to what Amida Butsu and Renge Kyo mean. Amida Butsu is one God out of four gods in Buddhism who has eternal life, including the life after death. On the other hand, Myoho Renge Kyo. Myoho means the truth of the universe. Renge means lotus flower. Kyo means teachings. So, lotus flower is the symbol of the universal truth. So, in a word, Renge Kyo means teachings of the universal truth. These are the literal meanings of Namu Amida Butsu and Nam-myoho Renge Kyo. In the latter half of this video, I would like to dig deeper into the answer of what do they really mean. If you like this kind of deep discussions, please click that channel logo you see in the corner so that you're not going to miss the next episode. And now, Namu Amida Butsu means I will commit to the God of eternal life. Nam-myoho Renge Kyo means I will commit to the teachings of universal truth. Yet, what are they really intended to mean as prayers? Nam-myoho Renge Kyo means by reciting this prayer, we will be unified with the universe, while Namu Amida Butsu means by reciting Namu Amida Butsu, we are wishing to be in heaven where we can live forever. So the critical difference between these two prayers is one is focusing on the universe while the other is focusing on the earth and the eternal life. So, in a sense, Namu Amida Butsu is covering the smaller territory of earth while Nam-myoho Renge Kyo covers the whole universe. You can say the former is part of the latter. And now, which should we choose as our prayer? It all depends on our final goal. Of course, we live and die on the earth and to be integrated into the universe. So the very final goal is considered to be with Nam-myoho Renge Kyo, committing to the teachings of the universal truth. However, personally speaking, as I have mentioned, we all live and die on this planet, which is so special because this planet is the one and the only planet with living beings. Life is what makes this earth so special. And I believe all our answers should be in the pursuit of life and nature, which is the law controlling this organic planet. So, in a sense, to appreciate this special feature of life on this planet, I personally choose to recite less popular prayer Namu Amida Butsu, intending that appreciating the miracle of my own life and wanting to be integrated with this planet after my death. Understanding the meaning of each prayer, which would you rather prefer, which in the end means the same thing. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's discussion, I would very much appreciate your clicking the likes and also sharing it with your good friends. And even if it may have been a difficult day to some of you, I'm wishing you a peaceful night, wherever you are watching this video on this same small miracle planet. See you at the next Dr. Social Problems. Bye-bye now.